Hi guys, let's start with do sum. So if you don't know how I'm explaining this whole thing, go to watch my first video, which is basically of 2 minutes. It will take around 2 minutes only. So go first and check my the first video how I explain all this patterns and all. Now we are going to solve two sum here. So marking it is as it done. Let's start with two sum. For you, I have created one visualizer with brute force and optimal approach. Okay, so if you don't know about this optimal approach and brute force, like Bigo and notations and all, go watch Abdul Wadi's or any videos about the basic data structure and all. This video is basically only for the Golang who want to solve DSA in Golang so that they can know basic thing about the syntax and use in their daily life. Okay, first I will do basic explanation with this visualizer, and then we will go to the code. Okay, start with brute force. Now I'm saying the sum should be 18. So let's assume it's our I loop and this is our J loop. Okay, so I'm checking that I is 2, then 2, no, then 7, then 11. Now it's away. Okay, we found the value. Operation count increases to 4. Okay, found using brute force 1, 2. So 4 times they need to go to check and find this value. So the problem in this, like, we need to run 2 loops and it will be complexity about Bigo n square. So we have to optimize it. So any interview anywhere they want your optimal approach. Okay, so that start with now optimal approach. In optimal approach we will use HashMap. We just need to maintain the HashMap, the particular indexes and all. Now let's start. Next 2, okay, then 7. Okay, now it will be. So we found this value. How we will do that, I will explain you through code also, and I will explain this this particular HTML file will be present in my repository as well. That will be in the description. Okay, you can go through it. So see, the operation count is 3, so in 3 times we just found it, but in previous brute force it was like 4. So it's an optimal approach, but we are using space also, so space complexity will be bigger also, because as the size increases we need to maintain the space also. But today we have lots of spaces because we have lots of servers and all, lots of RDS, everything, Cassandra and all. So space is not a problem right now. We want to make operational cost to less in our logics. Okay, now we will do some code in basically in Golang. Let's start. We have a package name. Assume like everything should be in a package. Golang is a basic thing, and if you don't know about the syntax and all, okay, go. I have mentioned one link of Go by example. Learn basic syntax and do basic programming, same like DSA things and all. You will learn Golang very easily. Okay, let's we create one array, or in Python you can say list. Just I will use same value. Okay, it will be easy for you, and I'm not making this video more than 10 minutes. I will try to solve in like 10 minutes because it's not, if it is too large no one watch it, I know that. Target, we have 18. Okay, now we have to define the function to some contain nums as an endpoint. Type int, we have a target which is also type int. Now first thing we need to create hash map, and we want to make it name as in. Okay, make map int. Now we need to run one loop. So the thing is how we will find like this value is present. We just simply subtract it. It will be easy. Like the subtraction value is present in the array. It should be the sum is also there. So 18 minus 7 is 11. So 11 is present. That's because this logic works. Okay. So I is index and n is a particular value. So do practice and Golang. Okay, practice makes you perfect. Here I am using Sublime text because it doesn't contain any AI and all, no auto writing and all. I need to write by myself so that I know the things, so that I can debug what AI writes. Get minus n. So we just simply subtract, as I said, 18 minus 7. 18 minus 7, so 11 is there, so complement will be 11. Now I have to check the if condition, if it is present or not. So j is basically index, and okay, it means it is present or not. It's a very good simple language, same like Python functional programming, but little bit complex like C++. It contains pointer. Plus point of go is go routine. You really like it once you start using it. So okay is check existence, if it is there or not. If it is there, we need to return it of its type int. We need to define j. What is the value of j and what is the value of I, and we are returning the indexes of the array. Okay, I need to define the return type also, so it will be type of an array, int type, array of integers. So one thing is missing, like I'm not updating the HashMap. We need to update the HashMap also, like the indexes and all. So let's assume it doesn't found, like I give a value like 819, it is not found, correct? So if still it not found, so we need to return nil in this case. Okay. Now we need to store the result. We need to print it also, correct? For print we need to use println. So write it, because if there is spelling mistake or something, everything you need to write it. It will be good for you. We need to import fmt. Okay, where is my go down? What is the file name? Is to sum.go. Okay, spelling is color fmt dot, as I said, keep writing. Yep, we got the index, so our logic is working fine. It is 19, so it should return nil in this case. Empty array, this type is this. I'm returning nil, so an empty array is printing. So if you watch my first video, so I'm describing this to sum, and it contains all the thing I have shared here. You will find this link also in my description. It's really hard to create this. It takes a lot of time for me to create this, around 6 to 7 months. And we have lots of system design also. So once DSA complete, I will start with system design, and will also machine coding around and all Golang. So this is done. Thank you guys. Hope you like it. Hope you're waiting for your my next video. Thank you for watching.